ASE Certified Mechanic. When it comes to auto repair, the most important choice you make isn't what part gets replaced, which service gets done, it's who performs the work. The difference between a general mechanic and an ASE certified mechanic is the difference between uncertainty and proven professionalism. An ASE certified mechanic isn't just experienced, they're trained, tested, and held accountable to the highest standards in the industry. That difference protects your car, your family's safety, and your long-term investment. So what is ASE certification? It's the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. It's a nationally recognized standard for testing and certifying automotive professionals since 1972. To become ASE certified, a technician must pass difficult exams in categories such as brakes, transmissions, engines, and electronics. Prove 2 years of hands-on repair experience or 1 year plus technical training. Recertify every 5 years to ensure their knowledge remains current with evolving technology. It ensures that the ASE certified mechanics are not only skilled today, but also continuously accountable for staying sharp for tomorrow. So why should you choose an ASE certified mechanic? Accurate diagnostics, they're going to diagnose it properly. Because modern vehicles, they're complex and they've got so many computers hanging out and with so many different computer systems, sensors, and advanced technology. It's amazing. I literally keep saying that the mechanics, the technicians nowadays are rocket scientists. Yeah, I mean, you literally have to be on a rocket scientist level to get it done. Service plans based on real driving, not generic charts. Safety first, accountability, and professionalism. The ASE certified mechanic is going to go through rigorous exams and verified experience, must recertify, correct diagnosis, fewer comebacks, current with modern technology, and nationally recognized curriculum. So it's funny when your neighbor next door, the quote shade tree mechanic, or that shop that may not have the insurance to back up what they're doing, may not have all of the other stuff to back up what they're doing. We don't know what their training is. We don't know what their accountability is because bluntly, if they don't want to be accountable, then they're not going to be accountable. And there's no place or anything that you can do about it. Accuracy, trial and error, knowledge, it may be reliant upon outdated methods, and there's no third party verification. Just saying. Some of the key ASE certifications that protect your vehicle are brakes, engine repair and performance, automatic transmission, electronic systems, heating and air conditioning, light vehicle diesel engines. I mean, nowadays they even have ASE certified service writers and have for a very long time. So it really depends on where you want to do business. But it really matters how much you understand how advanced your car is, because your car is so much more advanced. And then when you throw in the hybrid, drivetrains and the ADAS systems, the computer controlled everything, it really makes training essential. You truly need to protect your vehicle's future. Your vehicle is more than just transportation. It's your safety, independence, and investment. Choosing an ASE certified mechanic is the smartest way to protect all three. I've been in the automotive industry a very long time, and I can honestly say there are some technicians that are not good at taking tests, but they're fantastic technicians. So they may not be ASE certified. Okay. For the most part, most technicians are good at taking tests because they're being tested every day in real life. But know that a test is not a perfect way of telling. The perfect way of telling is actually to find an automotive repair shop that's got great Google reviews. It's got an attitude when you walk through the door that they truly have your best interest at heart. They want to educate you. They want to build a relationship with you. They want to let you know what it takes to keep your car going down the road. And unfortunately, that costs money. It's normally at least 20 cents a mile to drive a car, period. And now, when I say period, that means from 0 to 15,000 miles a year, because it's by time and mileage. It's going to cost about $3,000. 20 cents, 15,000 miles is $3,000. So it's $3,000 on average per year to drive the car, every car that you drive. If you're going to drive more miles than that, then it's going to cost more. If you're going to drive a more expensive model, then it's definitely going to cost more. But think about it as a bare bones minimum. I mean, we all know that our air conditioner at home only lasts so long. We all know that the garbage disposal at home only lasts so long. The hot water heater only lasts so long. We understand that. We're okay with that. But somehow or another, we think that our car should last forever without us doing anything to it. And that's just not true. ASE certified mechanics, ASE certified shops, period. I mean, does that mean that every ASE certified shop and every ASE certified technician is going to be fantastic? No. And then you have to find out what they're actually certified in, because there's a bunch of different tests. But the main thing is the attitude. You walk into a shop, the shop needs to be there with you and for you, and you should never feel like they're doing something to you. But if they're actually trying to educate you, afford them the time to get educated. If they're trying to help you, help them help you. If they want to just have a relationship with their computer, name, address, phone number, as they're typing on the keyboard, looking at their computer, and then you throw them the keys and you walk out, and you're like, okay, yeah, I dodged a bullet. Or if you think that you can lie to the front counter, it's all going to come out in the wash. The more forthcoming you are, the more upfront you are, the more that you're ready, willing, and able to be the automotive repair shop's partner, the better it is for everybody. It just is. Stay safe, stay strong.